Vocabulary responsible ទទួលខុសត្រូវ hardworking ខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែង self-motivated មានការជំរុញចិត្តដោយខ្លួនឯង passionate មានចំណង់ចំណូលចិត្តខ្លាំង personal growth ការអភិវឌ្ឍខ្លួនឯង professional development ការអភិវឌ្ឍវិជ្ជាជីវៈ discipline វិន័យ continuous learning ការសិក្សាបន្តជានិច្ច teamwork ការងារជាក្រុម Good morning everyone, my name is Mr. Sross. I am a responsible, hardworking and self-motivated person who is passionate about personal growth and professional development. I always believe that success comes from discipline, honesty, continuous learning, and good teamwork. Currently, I am interested in leadership, management, technology, and organizational development. I enjoy learning new skills and improving my knowledge in order to become more effective in both my personal and professional life. I am also interested in communication, teamwork, and problem solving, because these skills help me work well with others and achieve common goals. One of my strengths is being patient and responsible in completing tasks. I always try my best to finish my work on time and maintain a positive attitude in every situation. I also respect other people's opinions and enjoy working in a team environment where everyone can share ideas and support each other. In addition, I believe that leadership is not only about giving instructions, but also about being a good role model, helping others, and encouraging teamwork. I always try to improve myself by learning from experiences, accepting feedback, and developing emotional intelligence and ethical behavior. For my future goals, I want to continue improving my professional skills and contribute positively to my organization and society. I hope to become a successful leader who can inspire others, create a good working environment, and help people grow together. Thank you for your attention.